our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
A warm welcome to all my dear students. Standard 5, Subject Computer, Topic Data Storage in Computers, Part 2. Children, in Part 1, we learn about the primary memory. In this part, we are going to learn the secondary memory, which is data storage devices. Secondary memory is additional memory that is attached to the computer or inserted into the computer. A secondary memory is also called the external memory or auxiliary storage. It stores a large amount of data permanently until someone deletes it purposely. A secondary memory is important for computer because internal memory has less capacity to store the data. A computer uses different storage memories, secondary devices, which are CD, DVD, pen drive, hard disk, and so on. The first one data storage device is magnetic tape. Magnetic tapes store data on plastic film tape coated with a magnetic material. They are cheap and can store large volumes of data. This magnetic tape were used for audio and video. Second one is floppy disk. Floppy disk is flexible plastic disk that is coated with magnetic material. It consists of two sides with data stored on both the sides, and it is a storage medium for computer system. The floppy disk is composed of thin flexible magnetic disk sealed in a square plastic carrier. In order to read and write the data from a floppy disk, a computer system must have FDD, which is floppy disk drive. The next one is external hard disk. A hard disk is a type of magnetic secondary storage media. It is a main secondary storage for the computer. A hard disk can store up to 2 TB to 5 TB data. There are two types of hard disk, fixed and portable. Next one is flash drive or pen drive. A pen drive is also known as the flash drive. It is commonly used to store a large amount of information. It is very easy to copy and move data from one computer to another. It is small, lightweighted and portable device and commonly used device. Third one is DVD, digital versatile disc, is a type of optical media used for storing digital data. It is the same size as CD but has a large storage capacity. It can store data from 4.7 GB to 17 GB. Next one is CD-ROM. CD, a compact disc, is a type of optical secondary storage media. It is circular in shape and small in size. A CD is a portable device that we use for storing text, video, audio, graphics, images, or taking backup of data, programs, and software. A CD can store around 700 MB data. CDs comes in two forms. First one is compact disc, which is recordable, which are called CDR also. Data can be written on it once and then can be read multiple times. Second one is compact disc rewritable, which is CDRW. Data can be written as well as read multiple times. So children, this was the secondary memory, which is also called data storage device. Children, keep learning daily something new. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you. Have a good day.